Hey guys, so a quick update regarding the upcoming Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra. So according to Ulefone, the Armor 28 Ultra would come in two variants. One would be called the Armor 28 Ultra, the other would be called the Armor 28 Ultra Thermal version. Now the main difference between both devices, or should I say the only difference between both devices, is in the camera department. So the Armor 28 Ultra would feature a night vision camera, a 64MP night vision camera, and also according to Ulefone is going to have 4 infrared LED lights expected to aid the night vision camera. While the Armor 28 Ultra Thermal version would obviously feature a thermal imaging sensor, and according to Ulefone it's going to use the ThermalView T2 thermal imaging capabilities. It's also going to use a technology called Sharpen AI with Fusion AI in order to capture ultra high resolution thermal images. Anyway, this is the update that I have for you guys. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.